How to muffle audio in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Begin by clicking into the Fairlight tab at the bottom. You should see something that looks like this. Next, take note of the channel of which your audio is on and then come over to the mixer for this channel. If you don't see the mixer, just click this at the top and it will appear. Next, come down to where it says EQ and double click into this. This will bring up this graph here. The two parts we're going to tweak here are 5 and 2. We need to drag 5 to below -60 and before 2K. So there's 2K and there's -60. And then we want to drag 2 to before the 1K line and just below -10. So we're before 1K here and below -10 here. When we play this back, we will have muffled audio. This tutorial is going to show you how to muffle audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you want a more extreme effect, you can double click into this and play around with these to suit your own needs, but that's all there is to it.